And when you were at Stanford, were you already interested in quantum gravity by the time you got there? Or was that, I mean, now, Leonard Susskind is this huge towering figure at Stanford, and I'm wondering if maybe working with him in part or just being around him sort of shaped you in some way.
Well, it certainly did. I came from Cambridge, UK, where I just finished a PhD with Stephen Hawking. And Stephen, of course, is a pioneer in the field of quantum gravity, maybe one of the most important discoveries in it, that black holes radiate. But for my PhD, that wasn't really a key focus of my research. I was more sort of employed on his cosmology side. He is interested in inflation. Black holes did come into it because he was interested in whether black holes might be produced during cosmological inflation. Cosmological inflation is a hypothetical, almost, I think, very likely theory of what happened very early in the universe when it presumably expanded at an exponential rate for a short period. So I'd come into contact with black holes and some of their quantum properties, but I went to Stanford for my postdoc mostly with a sort of cosmology interest in mind, hoping to work with Andre Linde. And we did work together, which was wonderful. But it's true that I was always interested in quantum gravity as well, and I went to talks that Lenny and his postdocs and students attended and organized, and that drew me into some of their interests, and that's actually when I started working on the relation between quantum information and space-time.